compressor. Okay? You know, we got a hermetic, we got a flat, and we got a common. The common one is connected to the flat and the hermetic. Well, that's why it's called a common one. It's in common with each other. Yes? Remember, common doesn't mean neutral. One thing. The flat, what does the flat have, guys? The 3 wires.
Run, start, and common.
There you go. Okay? Compressor, same thing, guys. It has its run, it has its start, it has its stop. Okay? Yes? All right.
Yes, no,
So
maybe.
the way we're going to connect it is, we know that this is a load, and you know that this is a load, right? So for a load, what do we need?